So in about 2 minutes, you can make your Bronco look like this. Over to that. Everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're going to be changing out some fenders on the Bronco you guys seen here. It is a big bent model. Comes with the smaller fenders, but it's been lifted, bigger tires, wider tires, so now the fenders are a little bit off. So we're going to be actually adding Ford's Sasquatch package fenders. They're a little bit wider. You'll see that in a sec. Flip you around, show you what we're working with and how easy these things are to swap out. So here it is, the Bronco Big Bend. Like I said, it's got a 3-inch lift with some 35s on there now, and we're gonna swap out the fenders. So we ordered these wider fenders from Ford. They are the Sasquatch package fenders. They are labeled. If you look on the inside, you can see RH. So you'll have right hand front and rear and left hand front and rear. So make sure you get them lined up properly, and just keep in mind, if the little clips here don't work, then you have the wrong side. If you don't see that on yours, if the holes don't line up, it is mirrored. So you'll just flip it around, put it on the other side, and you're good to go. So number one, just make sure you have all 4 corners. Make sure you don't have 2 of one or 3 of one. You need 1 of each, otherwise this is not gonna work. Okay, so to get these off, super simple. Under here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little clips. Just turn them. That's all you got to do. Make sure they're all the way over. Once they're all off, give it a wiggle and pull. It'll sound like you're breaking it, but you're not. That's it. And a little size comparison between base and your Sasquatch. You can see much wider, much better for the wider tires. And to get these off, now that it's off the car, these are those little clips underneath. It's just push back and forth. And you can see this piece will lock it in. Then you also have your clips, 1 clip in between each set. Now before putting these on, make sure that your clips are all lined straight with the hole. Then they will line up with the holes in the fender. You can just clip it in, give it a smack, turn them, and she's locked into place. That's all it takes. And that's it. Once they're on, you can see it is a Ford OEM part. They're made for the 35-inch tires. That's what your Sasquatch package come with. And they fit nice and sturdy, nothing wiggles. Just make sure you got all the clips turned and you should be fine. The other clips in between each of them as well, like I mentioned, really hold it in there. That's why it's solid. And when you back up, now she has a much more aggressive stance with the wheels. You don't have to worry about so much stuff flinging up against your paint, because this will catch a lot more than those smaller ones would. But that is it. And there you have it, guys. They're all installed. Sasquatch package fenders. Yes, they are pricey, but people might say, why not just buy the Sasquatch package? It's lifted, you got the tires, you got all that. Reason one, can't get them. They're all out of stock now in 2023. Ford's saying they're not even taking orders for new ones right now, so you got to wait for that. But you can get the parts. So for less money, the people are asking for the Sasquatch packages and higher models that might be out in the dealerships right now. You can save yourself thousands of dollars, even adding all this part after adding all these parts separately later on. And it is now one of a kind. You don't go out and buy the same thing that every other Joe Blow can buy from Ford. You can make it your own. So you can see Outer Banks with a 3-inch lift, some wheels, and some wider fenders, fender flares. Looks much better. And there is more coming for this truck, so make sure to like and subscribe. Gonna change out the bumper, got some side rocker rails coming. Just make it a little easier to get in and out and to save your paint from anything that might flip up from the tires. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Hopefully we catch you guys in the next video.